Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Facebook Protect, Facebook Security and Security Checkup. First of all, I want to tell you that you already know that by October 28, Facebook will ask everyone to turn on Facebook Protect and Security Checkup, and I will definitely help you. First of all, you need to access the Facebook apps. Then click on three-dot line at the top. Scroll down and click on Setting and Privacy. Then click on Setting. Now click on Password and Security. And click on Check your important security setting. Here you can see that your password is okay, but two options are not okay. Now you can see that the security checkup of the profile above me has turned orange, so I have to make it green. First you click on Turn on Alerts. Click on. When you turn on alerts, it will let you know if someone logs into your account from a place we don't recognize. We will tell you which device was used and where it's located. And turn on Facebook. Your security checkup will turn green when you will turn on the minimum two options. But we'll do all three. Click on Turn on two-factor authentication. Click on Get Started. If we notice an attempt login from a device or browser we don't recognize, we will ask for your password and verification code. Click on Text, Message and SMS. Add your phone number and click on Continue. Enter your 6-digit code. You can write and click on Continue and click on Done. Then I will check it. Click on Password and Security. Check your important security setting. Finally, this setting is okay. Hope you liked the video. If you're new here in my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos.